How to make videos louder on FaceTime on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. The phone app on an iPhone is primarily used for making and receiving calls, including cellular calls, FaceTime audio calls, and FaceTime video calls. It provides features like a keypad for manual number entry, a favorites list for quick access to frequently called contacts, and a recents list for reviewing recent calls. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Recents. You can view all your recent call logs over here. Find a FaceTime video call from the logs and tap on it to call them again. Once they receive, press the volume button at the side of your phone to increase the volume. You can also tap on the speaker icon to turn on the speaker. Following these steps, you can easily make videos louder on FaceTime on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.